For years, I couldn't control my body. I'm, I'm talking about being able to walk, right? Not being able to trust when I needed the bathroom. Not being able to leave my house. And I thought that was the end of my life. But it wasn't. Because something happened to me, and I can't explain any other way. I wasn't always like this. I used to be in control, or at least that's what I thought. I got sober in 2005. I learned about higher power and did everything I was supposed to do. And then years later, my body started shutting down. My left arm had withered to my like this to my chest, and I couldn't even move it. I mean, I couldn't hold an envelope. It was crazy. My legs were always giving out. I was falling over 50 times a day, and I had a little apartment. It was just me, my kid, and my dog. And I fell down 50 times a day. Imagine that. You stand up and your body just doesn't listen. And then came the worst part. I couldn't control going to the bathroom for years. So it stuck me here. I stopped leaving the house. Not because I wanted to, but because I had no choice. And here's what really broke me. It wasn't just my body. It was realizing I wasn't in control of anything. Everything I thought I built, everything I thought I was gone. And I had a place where I had nothing left. That's the last house on the block. And that's where everything changed. Not when I got stronger. Not when I figured it out. When I gave up. Not like quitting. I surrendered. For real. I said, God, if you're real, my life is yours. And something happened. It's not my life anymore. I live in gratitude. I'm so happy. I can't package this. I can't make it sound pretty. But I wasn't alone anymore. Something came into my life and started changing me, piece by piece. Not overnight, but real. My mind changed. My peace came back. And then my body started responding again. I'm not perfect. I still deal with things. But I'm not the same person. I'm not trapped anymore. And the crazy part, it didn't happen because I fixed myself. It happened when I stopped trying to be God of my own life. Yeah, I stopped running my own life. If you feel I'm talking to you. if you feel like you're losing control, like your life is slipping, like nothing is working anymore, you might be closer than you think. Because I had to lose everything. And if you want to understand what happened to me, watch the next video. Go binge my content. Get to know me. We can't get out of the ditch alone.